When using a VLOOKUP, entering the column number manually on the third argument can be quite laborious. Let me demonstrate how we can automatically increase it using this simple addition to the VLOOKUP formula. We will be using a match function. Lookup value will be the header, lookup array will be the header for the dataset, and match type will be exact. After that, you can drag the formula right across the column like this. This issue is only limited to older version of Excel. For newer version like Excel 2021 and Microsoft 365 and above, I suggest using XLOOKUP function as the return column is identified as a range. Let me demonstrate. XLOOKUP, the first argument, lookup value will be A7, lookup array will be A11 to A65, and on the third argument, this is where I start to tangent away. For return array, we can lock the row while allowing the column to change. After that, set the if not found argument to blank and set match mode to exact with a 0. And after that, apply the same formula right across. Can I put a community poll out there? Do you think I should develop an XLOOKUP add-on for older version of Excel? If there's enough interest, I'll develop an Excel add-on. Let me know in the comment section.